Elite Aircon, we believe in enabling the impossible. Founded in 2008, we specialize in ACMV solutions for high-specification projects from a wide array of industries. From sprawling 300,000 square foot projects to intricate installations, our expertise is evident in over 1,000 successful ventures trusted by our corporate clients and partners. Our credentials highlight our commitment to excellence and safety. This sets us apart in a competitive landscape. Our services include professional aircon maintenance, precise pressurized and relative humidity systems, and sophisticated indoor air quality control. At Elite Aircon, we believe that the environment you inhabit should inspire creativity and productivity. Elite Aircon, enabling the impossible.